I'll show you guys. Actually, this is really good. I really like it. See, look, this is exactly what I've seen online. So yeah, but the issue is, you can see, yeah. So right. So okay, so listen. So look what I have here. I received this package yesterday, and this is the replacement for these. Yeah. So I ordered this one from Shein with the other 6 items on the 23rd of November. Then I received my order last 2 weeks ago. It's amazing. I received exactly what I've seen online, except that I choose the wrong size for the dresses. Like, it's a little bit big for me, but it's okay. It just needs a quick alteration and it will be fine. And by mistake, they sent me this, which both sides are left. So I phoned Shein about this issue, and the lady that I spoke with, she's very helpful, and yeah, they sorted it straight away. So they sent me this. So let's see. I'm super excited. Maybe by this time they send me both sides are both are right. Okay, so oops, it's very difficult for me. Here we go. Oh my god, it's very difficult. Oh, I'm super excited. Okay, so yeah, so this time it's okay. So now see, oops, I think it's a little bit big for me. Okay, so here we go, guys.